This is James with Phoenix Home Services, and today we're looking at a driveway tear out and reinstallation in Herndon, Virginia. We've had some major issues with the surface cracks here, basically because the base was not prepped properly from the original builder and the concrete's too thick in certain areas, causing it to crack. We are going to come through and demo everything out with the Bobcat with the jackhammer on it. As you see, there's that really thick concrete we were talking about that was making the slab crack in half. Now over here, we're going to have to bring in a good 4 or 5 inches of gravel to bring the base up to the bottom of the board there for the 4-inch thickness on the concrete. It's going to be about 20 tons when it's all said and done. There's the debris in the semi-truck taking everything out. And here's the gravel in place being tamped down. We got the grades very nice out here. Got the elevation for the water runoff, about a 1/4 inch per foot slope to the left side of the yard here. And we are ready for concrete. Wire mesh in place throughout, as well as rebar in the foundation. And here we go, the truck's starting to pour. So this is a 4,000 psi mix. It's actually contains some microfibers in it that you won't see that'll affect the finishing process, but it adds some extra strength. We also put some plasticizers and things in here to help with the finish. So they're going to go throughout and pour a 4-inch concrete slab in this whole area. As you see, we're floating it out in the walkway, getting the surface prepped, getting that cream up to the surface where we're able to come back with a fine broom and put a good finish on. Here's the main driveway area. Luckily this can be poured straight off the truck. You see the rebar in place along the foundation, and then they're putting the wire mesh in place here within the whole area. Again, we're using the bull float, floating it out, getting the surface prepped. Checking some final levels there for the end of the concrete pour. The second truck's about to come in, dump that last little bit of the driveway. And here we're putting that final finish on like we're talking about. Now really this is one of the most important processes. You want to really screed this concrete out properly, float it out properly, get the surface tension to where you want, and then for a final step, once we get the surface about where you see here, we'll come back and put that fine broom on. So here's the final product with the walkway, grades perfect, driveway all graded to this side, fixed some drainage issues, and it really came out nice. Expansion joints as needed and required, and the project came out perfect.